Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine, if you don't know, and I'm here today because I wanted to show you how I make delicious grilled chicken. So if you want to see that, just hang out with me and I'll show you. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a third of a cup of white vinegar, white distilled vinegar. I'm going to fill it up. Alright, you're going to add that to that. Then you're going to take half of that and you're going to put in Filippo Berio extra virgin, extra light tasting olive oil. This is the only olive oil I use. You're going to do half of this. Okay. So now you got that in there. So you're going to take onion powder. You're going to take two teaspoons, heaping. Put it in there. That's a teaspoon. Then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Granulated garlic, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. 1 teaspoon of that. 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more, add less. It's your recipe. I'm giving you the base. Whatever you want to do. It's okay. It's your recipe at that point. Then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of dill. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. You're going to put it in there. I need some water. And then you need 2 teaspoons of water. And that's it. That's the whole marinade for the grilled chicken. This comes out so delicious. You have no idea. I put it on my steak. I put it on my chicken. It's delicious though. You got to try it. So when you take this, you're going to put it on the chicken. I'm going to get the chicken out in 1 second. And just to let you know, you don't have to follow everything while I'm doing it right now. All you have to do is go into the description box. I'll have it listed down below, and then you just have to read it, and then you can make it, and it's going to be delicious, and you're going to love it. I'm telling you. Please, definitely write it down in the description area if you loved it, because I would love to hear from you. Let me know. Let me know what you thought of my recipe. And if you don't like it, you can add stuff to it, but here's a base of what I use. So just take it from there and run with it. Chicken. I have the chicken here. I have thighs here, but you could put it on breasts if you want. And then we're just going to marinate it. And let it sit. 2 hours? I would say 2 hours, at least 2 hours. If not, overnight, however long you want to marinate it. The longer you marinate it, the better it'll taste. Okay, I'm just going to mix it around. Get it all coated. So this way it's all over the chicken. Yeah, I use thighs because they're juicier, I find. You know, I do like breasts. Thighs are just so much more flavorful to me. But if you want to do breast, do breast. Alright, so now we're going to cover that and put that in the refrigerator and let it just marinate. Alright, so now I'm going to put it on the barbecue. That smells so good. Alright, let's see. Time to flip. Nice. I think I made it a little dark. That looks good. Oh, it's going to be so yummy. Alright, so let's try it. Oh, it's so juicy. Look, it's perfect. It's so good. It's so juicy. It tastes delicious. Absolutely delicious. You have to try it. Try it. So if you like my channel, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.